We have received very positive news related to the Pakistan Navy. Late last night, DGPR Pakistan Navy issued a press release stating that in the Arabian Sea, Pakistan Navy ship PNS Aslat Newed Hide, a Zulfiquar-class frigate, successfully conducted a high surface-to-air missile test. During this test, the FM-90, the extended-range variant of the missile, was used, which successfully destroyed a highly maneuverable aerial target. At first glance, this development may not appear extraordinary because Pakistan Navy's Zulfiqar-class frigates already use FM-90 surface-to-air missiles as standard, and these missiles have been installed on the ships since their induction into service. However, the interesting point here is that the official Pakistan Navy press release specifically mentioned the FM-90 extended range variant rather than the normal version. This detail makes the development particularly important. Previously, Zulfiqar-class frigates used the baseline DAO FM-90 surface-to-air missile AO Hydro, which is designated as HQ-7B Amitawan in China. Interestingly, a land-based version of this missile also exists, mounted on a mobile launcher, and it is in active service with the Pakistan Army as well. The difference is that the mobile launcher carries 4 missile tubes, whereas the naval version, HQ-7 or FM-90, is equipped with 8 launchers, allowing 8 missiles to be carried at a time. The FM-90 surface-to-air missile is originally an older system. In terms of its origins, it is based on the French R-440 Crotal surface-to-air missile, which China acquired in the late 1980s. Later, licensed production began, and China developed the HQ-7 system and inducted it into its own service. Over time, with technological advancements, China developed more advanced variants of this system, which were later inducted by Pakistan as well. Therefore, it would be incorrect to say that the systems used by Pakistan are outdated. In fact, they are modern variants. The standard FM-90 Shimar, currently used by both the Pakistan Army and Pakistan Navy, has a basic range of approximately 15 kilometers. Takro. In terms of guidance, it offers infrared homing, debros, optical guidance, ahorai, and mixedly, radar and command guidance and options, features available in the newer FM-90 variants used by Pakistan. According to the latest Pakistan Navy press release, the range of these FM-90 missiles has now been further extended by approximately 15 kilometers. As a result, the new variant has a combined range of 25 to 30 kilometers, which Pakistan Navy is now inducting into service while modernizing its Zulfiqar-class frigates. Along with increased range, these new variants also introduce advanced guidance methods such as imaging infrared. Additionally, these missiles are capable of performing extremely high maneuvering, up to 50 G-turns. This makes them highly effective against fast-moving, sea-skimming incoming threats, whether surface-to-air or air-to-surface missiles, with the ability to conduct mid-course correction. For this reason, the new FM-90 variants are highly effective for the Pakistan Navy, as its ships are likely to face such high-speed threats in the future. In this context, Pakistan Navy is equipping its ships with these advanced FM-90 variants to further enhance their self-protection capabilities. Over the past some time, an important trend has been observed within the Pakistan Navy. A comprehensive modernization plan is underway for older ships inducted around or before 2005. This includes the modernization of Zulfiqar-class frigates. In the first phase, we saw the integration of Zamash supersonic anti-ship ballistic missiles on these ships, with multiple test firings conducted to validate the system. Now, we are witnessing further enhancement of the surface-to-air capabilities of the Zulfiqar-class frigates, which is a critical aspect. If a ship is to employ its offensive weapons, it must first possess a credible capability to defend itself. Keeping this approach in mind, Pakistan Navy is continuously upgrading these frigates. Although there are certain limitations, since the overall design of the Zulfiqar-class frigates is gradually becoming outdated. Modern ships typically use vertical launch systems, VLS, for surface-to-air missiles. However, due to design constraints, VLS cannot be implemented on Zulfiqar-class frigates. Therefore, a cost-effective solution is to improve the missiles used in already installed systems, so that the ship's close-in defense capabilities are strong enough to counter incoming enemy missiles effectively, and then allow the employment of offensive weapons such as SAMASH, supersonic anti-ship ballistic missiles. Overall, this approach by the Pakistan Navy is highly productive and positive. Although it could have been further improved by deploying advanced Chinese systems like HQ-10 on Zulfiquar-class frigates, for now, systems like the FM-90 are more than sufficient. In the future, as the threat envelope increases, Pakistan Navy may look toward more advanced surface-to-air missile systems such as HQ-10. For now, this approach is entirely adequate, and it is encouraging to see the Pakistan Navy utilizing it effectively,